In this video I am going to show you how to transfer big file to your USB drive. Let's jump into it. So first go to your video that you want to transfer to USB drive. So now I am going to my file that I want to transfer. So I select and cut, then go to USB driver, then I want to paste it here. Now you can see here this file is too large for the destination file system. So now I will teach you how to fix this problem. So go to USB drive and right click there, and you can see the options. Go to file system option and click there, then you can see two options. Just change it to the NTFS and click start. So you will get warning message after you click in file system. So here is saying formatting will erase all data on your disk, so be careful with that. In your hard drive everything will be erased when you click OK. So if you have anything like important in your USB drive, just copy it to somewhere in your desktop. So once you click OK, it will be disappear on your USB drive. So now just click on OK and you can see the message format complete. Just click on OK and close it. Now you can see here when you open, USB drive is empty. So now go to video that you want to transfer to USB driver. This time definitely you can transfer that file. So just copy it or cut it and go to USB driver, paste it here. As you can see here, now already start to copy to the USB driver. See, now you can see here it's already in the USB driver. So that's how you transfer big file to your USB drive. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please make sure subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified my future videos.